called a monster. Is it recording?
Yep, nighttime fishing. Let me send me a little puff. Then I do like a big one. Here, pay attention, bro.
I thought I could see you swim to the top. Oh shit.
Yo, your shit almost went in the water for real.
Like a motherfucker right now. Yeah, that's a big one.
I can't even smoke this boat. That shit was crazy.
Shit. It's definitely a big one. It's a big one right now. It's a big one. Yo, this is a big one. Oh shit, yo, this is a big one. This is a monster. Let me hook his ass more down. Let me hook his ass down.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh shit! Oh shit!
He is so angry.
Oh shit, I'm getting a pipe, bro. I'm getting a pipe.
Try to fish on it. I tried to fish on it.
Hold on. Bro, if I catch a fish at the same damn time.
Yo, this is a monster. This is a big fish. This is a big fucking fish. Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording, nigga.
Yo, this is a big fish. Every time I turn my drag up, he runs.
Yo, that fish is mad.
You see how I hook his ass?
Yo. That was the craziest fucking. I never seen the drone go out like that. That shit said.
So one footage. Yes. But this is big. This is real big.
Yeah, you got him hooked good too.
This is big. This is
I'm about to grab him. I'm gonna grab him. Put him over to grab him. Put him over the ledge. Actually.
Oh, this is a big one.
We gotta.
This is a motherfucking monster right here.
Yeah.
This is definitely like a 30 inch.
Yo.
Oh, I thought I lost it. I'm shaking like a motherfucker. Oh, he's fighting again.
Oh shit. How long? Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, I think you gotta get your rod up. You have to get your rod. Here, look.
Oh, there's a fucking log coming down. Yo, no way. There's a.
Come on,
Hurry up, hurry up.
Here, look.
I can.
Come underneath me. Give me the flash. Give me the flash.
All right.
Drag still going off. It's a monster. It's a monster. And it's a log coming down here. Yo, this is a monster. I do not want to lose this fish. It's a log.
No, just.
Hold on. Where's my line? Look at my rod.
It's right here.
All right.
Right by the log. Hold on.
No, it's right in front of you.
All right, it's fine.
Look at this fucking log. Oh, there go the fish. Oh, it came to the edge. Oh shit.
It's a big, feisty one.
Grab a thing. Oh, you gonna grab a fish? All right. All right, let me pull him.